Just shy of 2 months of inventory on the shore, with homes going under contract in about 10 days. It's Friday, May 19th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know if you have specific questions. Homes available on the Maryland shore rose slightly this week to 1,095. 90 homes came to the market over the past week. 68 homes are coming soon. 68 went under contract, up from last week. 89 went to pending. 123 properties sold within 13 days of hitting the market and at 99.2% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in St. Michael's for $1,425,000. Available rentals rose to 70 for lease at $1,995 per month. These are going under application in about 38 days, but going under lease more slowly. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, May 19th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy the weekend, and I'll see you next week.